Hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Caden. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a randomizer in Scratch. Let's jump right into it by getting our costumes and sprites set out. So all you want to do is search a sprite, and we're going to say num, and it should come up with all of these numbers. So I'm going to start off with number 0, and then I'm going to go into costumes of the number 0, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to choose a costume as well. So once again, I'm just going to say number here, and I'm going to say 1 this time. I'm going to repeat this until I have all the numbers up till 9, and then we can start coding. Okay, once you've got all the numbers up to 9, we're going to go through them and just type in the number that goes along with the costume. So in this case we've got number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on and so forth. Once you've done that, we can start the random. This is for this is so that we can set a certain value to our costumes, meaning that we can change the costume using a randomizer, which is quite a good tool to have if you are making, for say, a clock or a game with a stop clock or a timer. That's very useful for that as well. So now that we've done all of that, we will now move on to coding our actual randomizer. So all we're going to do is grab a when flag clicked. We're going to say in looks. We're going to go down here and we're going to grab a switch costume to block. We're going to place that in there, and then we're going to say pick random. In here we're going to say for ours 0 to 9. Now obviously you could add different costumes where it goes up in higher numbers, but for us just now we're just going to go 0 to 9. So if we say that, we then can just hit there and it's chosen number 6. So as you can see, our costume has switched to the number 6 there. We're then going to advance that slightly by then saying broadcast down here. Up in events, we're going to say broadcast, new message, next num for number. We're then going to say when I receive, next num. Then we're going to say wait 1 second. So we'll say we'll wait 1 second, and then we'll say again switch costume to, going into our operators, grab our pick randomizer down here, going to say 0 to 9 once again, and then we're going to say in events broadcast and then our next message again. So now every second it should choose a new number. So 5, 2, 0, 9, 0, 5, 6, 3, 0, 3, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, that's going quite nicely through all of the numbers there. None of the numbers have been missed out, and that is all you have to do to get a randomizer in Scratch. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a like, a subscribe would be appreciated, and a follow as well. If you have any questions, just ask me them down in the comments. Tell me what you want to see next as well. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.